Mabuhay! Good day, ma'am. I am Bonghanay Jelmar from BSHM1J and I'm going to answer the following questions stated at the Module 1. For question number 1, what is the contribution of Copernicus in the philosophy science? Nicolaus Copernicus was a Polish astronomer, and his contribution to the philosophy science was when he put forth the theory that the sun is rest near center of the universe and that the earth is spinning on its axis once daily and revolves annually around the sun. For question number 2, do you think thought experiment is still useful in science in the present time? Expound your answer. For me, it is a yes. Yes, thought experiment is still useful right now. Well, some people might think that thought experiment is not useful in the present times for the reason that there is now a presence of growing and evolving technology. New useful devices and tools have been created or have been developed to perform the experiment efficiently. However, in my opinion, thought experiment is significant not just in the field of science but in all aspects of life. As a matter of fact, making theories and hypotheses through the means of thought experiment will be the first stage in engaging scientific activities. Moreover, studying science without those things will be just pointless because thought experiment letting us to venture outside our comfort zone by forcing us to confront questions that we cannot answer with ease. It also encourages our speculations, our logical thinking, and you know that our mind is so powerful that it is unlimited in potential that we have the capability to manipulate ideas, setting up some situation, observing what happens, and drawing an appropriate conclusion. We can be creative in anything that we desire by letting our mind working. And for question number 3, do you think the church should intervene in scientific activities? Why or why not? For me, it's a no. It's definitely no because church and science have an opposing viewpoints and are completely different when it comes to processing and purpose of information. For question number 4, last question, if Freud is still alive, what do you think are the major changes he would make to his theory? If Sigmund Freud is still alive, he will oblige to change a lot of details with regards to his psychoanalytic theory of human development that centralize its concept so that a human's personality develops in a series of changes. In his theory, he forgot to mention and took details of the different variables that can change a person's personality development. And maybe, if he has another chance in life, he may take advantage of it to improve his theory by noticing the environmental factor, the social factor, the life status factor, and the health factors. Moreover, his psychoanalytic and psychosexual theories are more in the paternal culture. That means that his theory circulates and more valid for the most men. So if he is still alive, he can edit the developmental stages of his work through seeking different female behaviors, personalities, and cultures.